Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate your Treehouse membership easy tutorial step by step clearly. To activate your Treehouse membership, start by visiting the Treehouse website. Locate the sign in button at the top right corner of the home page. Click on the sign in button. Enter your email address associated with your Treehouse account. Type in your password in the designated field. After entering your credentials, click the sign in button. Once logged in, navigate to the membership section on your dashboard. Look for the option to view your current plan or activate a new membership. If you are activating a new membership, review the available plans. Choose the plan that suits your needs best. Click on the Activate or Join Now button next to your selected plan. You will be directed to the payment page. Fill in your payment details in the required fields. Double-check the information you've entered for accuracy. Once everything looks good, click on the Submit or Complete Purchase button. After your payment is processed, you should see a confirmation message. Check your email for a confirmation regarding your membership activation. You are now ready to explore all the resources available with your Treehouse membership. Enjoy your learning journey with Treehouse. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.